Yo, what it is, Skye Crew, it's your boy Jinx, and right now we are cruising, and I am calling my best friend because at this time, on this day, she told us that she was gonna be woke. Now, as y'all can see, the phone is ringing, and she ain't picking up.
Leave your message for...
Fuck you, man. I don't think you notice what you done to me. Yeah, I think you should know that you were under me. If anybody got a problem, tell them they can come to me. What the...
So right now, we are on our way to pick up the newest member of the Skye Crew. Riding with me is none other than Marissa. Hey! Lola was supposed to be here. Lola was the only one that promised that she would be here. And, what do you know? That was the third time I called her, by the way.
Hello? Hello? I said don't disturb you, I'm cleaning my room!
Anyway, so we are at none other than one of my favorite stores. Big Lots, of course. Y'all know what it is. Anyway, we are going to pick up some things for the newest member of Skye Crew at the moment. Marissa said that she will help me record some videos because one day, she's gonna start her own channel. That's what she said.
Pretty soon.
So, you know what you should do. You should always hold people to their word, right? Hold people to their word, right?
Hold it. You can, yes. I'm gonna do it. I'm
you
gonna
putting that on Skye Crew?
On Skye Crew, yes.
She putting that on Skye Crew.
I'm dedicated.
On Skye Crew. I tried it.
Really, nigga?
Guys, we are back. Come on. We are about to get something for the newest member of the Skye Crew. I don't know if you can see the aisle, but you know what I'm saying.
I'm watching you, Wazowski. Always watching.
It gives off the hint. It gives off the hint. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. But I ain't gonna show y'all what it is until we get it, because you know what I'm saying, I don't want to spoil it or nothing. But anyway, we are here to get some things for the newest member, and we are in the actually,
I think this is the wrong aisle.
yeah, we definitely in the wrong aisle.
Yeah.
We out.
Literally, ew, I can't. Ew. Literally, ew, I can't. Ew. Literally, ew, I can't. Ew.
Okay, guys, sorry about that. Now we are in the right aisle. I don't know what I was thinking. I think Marissa sent me over there. I don't know what the heck happened, but we in the right aisle now. So we gonna get what we need to get, and then we gonna get up out of here because the puppy is on the way. My phone just alarmed me, so
Right, we kind of gotta hurry.
see y'all there. Woo!
There it goes.
Hold on tight. I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen.
And I'm hotter than summer rain like carton. Like blue, ready to aim at any target. I can get your brains for a bar. Like a ball, different talk.
Guys, we are here. We are looking for parking, and it is about to be on. We are about to pick up the newest member, and it is about to be lit. Now, guys, this leash and color, I'm only getting this because the ones that I ordered haven't come in yet. So I'm just getting something real quick to pick the dog up with. Oops. That's how we do it?
That's how they doing it? They're trying to...
What? Wow.
Really trying to find the puppy. Serious.
First of all, I want to say this is why I needed my best friend to come with me, because I knew we was gonna get the runaround. I knew.
Continue onto Flight Path Avenue.
We got a new address, y'all. Guys, we are almost at the alternate destination because the airport was just a massive fail. Epic. I'm gonna tell y'all that whole story. I'm gonna tell y'all all of that, but for now, we're still in a good mood. We are almost here. We are 800 feet away. 700, 6'5".
Closer, because I felt like we was really on a scavenger hunt.
350, 250, 2.
On your right.
Hey! Oh man, I done passed it up. Oh,
we done passed it.
Oh. Guys, it was terrible. We ran through the airport terminal like it was a rat race. Like we was in the movie Rat Race and we was going for 2 million. We was going here. Like that's why I needed my best friend. That's what I was saying earlier. I was on the phone, so Marissa was actually running around looking for the actual flight so we could just, you know, say if we saw that, then we can go over there and ask questions. But we were unsuccessful until we made some calls and then some more calls, and then we talked to a couple people in the airport and we got it figured out. Okay guys, these trucks, all this noise, killing the whole vibe. We just gonna get this over with. Let's go and get the newest member of the Skye Crew.
Let's do it.
Okay guys, I don't even know how to start this video because we suck right now.
We just want it.
Going to the wrong place. These trucks are annoying. These people are not. Oh, hey. It's gonna make up for it. The newest member is gonna make up for it. Where you going? Okay, guys, enough wasting time, enough going to the wrong place. This time I am quite 110% sure we at the right place. When we go in these doors, we are all going to meet the newest member of Skye Crew. All right, y'all ready? Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all people of the Skye Crew, I would like to introduce you to the very newest member of the Skye Crew, none other than Button. Is you keeping the lighting right on that thing?
I am zooming in.
Hey, okay. Buttons is Skye's pet dog.
Oh, Skye's so lucky. She's gonna love you.
Oh my goodness.
And you're gonna love her.
Okay, let's go home. So you guys, we made it back home. Say what's up. Say what's up. Hey, welcome to your new home. Woo! Yeah! Let's get you out this cage instantly, because no Rebel / Brady should be ever in the cage. You understand me? Everybody meet Buttons the Rebel, aka, well, I should say that the other way. Okay, everybody meet Buttons Brady, aka Buttons the Rebel. Oh, okay, finish. Come on. Okay, she's nervous. Hey, you pooping there too.
Oh my god.
She don't want to step in the poop. She like,
oh yeah, because she's a really nice dog. She's probably like, I don't want to get dirty.
Yeah,
I'm stepping my poop.
She's like, I'm gonna need you to clean this floor and put down a red carpet before I step out. First of all, come on, Buttons. Let's get you out of here. Buttons. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on, Buttons.
Hi, Buttons.
Hey, Buttons.
Sorry, Buttons.
What's up, Buttons? Hey, love you. Hey, welcome home. Hey. What's up? Newest member of Skye Crew. Hey. She's so nervous. She's like, I don't know. I mean, you seem alright. You seem alright. Okay.
Ooh,
cool.
Buttons. Hi,
That's
pretty
all right.
girl.
This is cool.
Hi.
You know what I'm gonna get you? Some food. Cause you just need time to get comfortable. That's all that is. That's all that is. Little Buttons. Look at this hair.
I know, look at that clothes. Oh my god.
Oh, she's looking. Hey, you know what that means?
She loves you already.
You know who it is? Okay. Food. Hey, Buttons.
Oh my god.
Hey, Buttons. Buttons, come on. Come on.
She's like, I just want to get to love and know you. Oh, I know. Oh my God, straight zoomed in. Too cute.
Wait till you meet God. You meet her, she's gonna love you. She's gonna love you.
Oh, her curls, guys. She's just so cute. Skye's gonna love her.
Hey, Buttons. Oh, Buttons. Buttons. Buttons, come here. Hey. Hey, Buttons. That's what I like to see right there. You rebel out on everybody but me, okay? All right. And Skye, of course. And Skye. Oh, why you all up on the camera, bro? Hey, Buttons. I think we found Buttons' new favorite toy already. Right out the gate. I didn't even get the toys in from like the stuff I ordered online, like the stuff that I ordered first. I just got this today on the fly. And it's already her favorite. See what your boy is doing out here, man? That's right. We Gucci. Now I know some of you guys are probably wondering, yo Jinx, why didn't you take Goddess and Skye to get the dog? But then that would have totally defeated the purpose of showing you guys this. Because obviously nothing compares to Skye in person. But check this out. Oh. I know y'all like, really bruh? Really? But really bruh? That wasn't even what I was talking about. That wasn't even what it was. I was talking about this. Oh, oh. Now Skye is forever with me. No matter where I go, no matter what I do, Skye is here with us. Skye Crew is in the building, man. This is one of her first ever professional pictures, and it was taken the day, well, within the same 24 hours she was born. So basically this is the day she was born. So I will always have the day she was born on me. I know a lot of people be like, man, I know when they babies is rough, but once they big, you gonna miss how little they was. So I was like, you know what? I ain't gonna miss nothing. I'ma just put it on me forever. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, but also it's because Goddess actually has to work tonight anyway. So I'm like, I'm gonna let her get her sleep. Like, I don't wanna wake her up in the middle of the day like, yo, let's go get this dog. I know you gotta work, but get up anyway. You know what I'm saying? And on top of that, which is actually the main reason I didn't want to pick up the dog and then be a little aggressive towards Skye. So I want to pick up the dog, bring it home, test it out around the house, give it a test run, make sure that it was a cool dog before I brought Skye over in the first place. So I basically had to do this without Skye, and Skye was home with her mom. You know what I'm saying? So it was all like cool. So I was like, yo Marissa, come help me with this, because I ain't never picked up a dog at the airport. And apparently you just don't go to the airport. You go 7 miles down the street from the airport.
What will you learn? What will you learn?
You going outside? You just stretching? She look like a little lion right there. Look like
Please leave your message for
Lola, I don't want to hear nothing about nothing. I called you before and after. This is the crazy part, y'all. I've been telling best friend that she was not gonna get up on time for this all week, and I've been calling her all week just to say, you're not gonna get up on time. You're not gonna get up on time, just so hopefully she could possibly try to prove me wrong. But again, she was not there. Shout out to Marissa for coming through, helping out. Legit, like running through the airport way more than me to try to find this dog. I don't know why but she was definitely a big help. I think the dog is, what the, oh, the lightning just went crazy. I think the dog is gonna be perfect for Skye, so I'm ready to go and get her later today, bring her over, show her and show her. Well, they both girls, so But you get what I'm saying. Show Buttons basically. Because I don't know if I told y'all, but Buttons is actually a nickname for Skye from her grandmother. So you know what I'm saying? So the dog's name is Buttons. It's cool. It's dope. It's dope. It's like it's an inside thing, I guess. I don't know.
One eternity later.
Guess who finally decided to call? Oh, I don't know if y'all can see her because this sun is blinding me right now. But best friend just now finally waking up. She was supposed to be helping me throughout the airport, and she didn't help up. Thank goodness Marissa came and helped. What you gotta say for yourself, best friend? Huh?
My name's Jeff.
Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
Buttons, show him you ain't no punk. Get him, Buttons. Get her, Buttons. Get Buttons. Buttons, where you going? Buttons, he talking smack, Buttons. He talking smack. You hear him? Go get him, Buttons. Handle that. Yeah. There you go, Buttons. Yeah, handle that. What? You ain't talking so much now, are you? Let's go, Buttons. We out. Come on, man. But dang, you run too fast. Come on, we in here, man. Forget that. Hey, Buttons. Best friend said Buttons wouldn't fit in her house, but she definitely does. I bought these on Amazon. Got a little house and a little pet, man. She won't last in there. I think she'll outgrow it, at least, you know, to the point of uncomfortability. But for now,